Okay, before we get started, one business owner to another, let's just get real for a second. Running a small business, it's tough. It's like a roller coaster, isn't it? You know, we're up there 1 minute and then, top of the world, and the next we're buried in pet work. And let's not even get talking about trying to stay ahead of the competition. You've probably heard about AI, yeah? The idea of having a super smart assistant thingy to help with everything from marketing to customer service. Sounds pretty amazing? It is, but let me tell you a secret. The key to making AI work for you isn't about complicated tech stuff. It's about something much simpler. It's how you talk to it. So I had a customer email me the other day, totally frustrated with their AI tools. They weren't getting the results they wanted and they were ready to give up. But when I looked into it, the problem actually wasn't the tools themselves. It's how they were using them. You see, it's all about mastering the art of prompting. Now, what do I mean by that? It's giving clear instructions to the AI, and that's what today's video is all about. It's what I want to get across. I'm going to show you how to use simple prompts to get real practical results from your AI tools. No jargon, no complicated formulas, just plain English and actionable tips. Shall we get started? All right, so we know prompting is important, but let's just break down what that actually really means. So it's imagine having a brand new assistant, a new employee. To get them to do what you want, you'd give them, clear instructions, wouldn't you? You would tell them exactly what you need, what the goal is, and any important details. It's the same with AI. You need to talk to it like a person. It's not like talking to a robot. Prompting is just like giving clear instructions to your AI assistant. It's the secret code to getting it to do what you want it to do. And the best part, the clearer you are, the better results you're going to get. It's like magic without the wand. Now, why should you care about all this? Well, think about it. You're busy running a business. You don't have time to mess around with tech that just doesn't work. Good prompting means you'll save time. It'll make your life so much easier, and you'll get way, way, way better results from your AI tools. It's a win, win, win. Okay, so let's see how this works in practice. Let's look at some real examples, and let's first see what happens when we use a bad prompt. So imagine you need a social media post. So I'm going to use ChatGPT as our example. Okay, so we're putting social media post about my coffee shop. Okay, we've got something, but is that going to grab anyone's attention? Is it going to sell anything? Probably not. It's way too vague, and the AI is just kind of guessing what you want. Okay, so let's see if we can improve that. Let's go with what I would call a good prompt. What else we could do? Targeting local young professionals. Yeah, I think that's okay. Right, 150 word Instagram post promoting our coffee shops. New summer. Spell that right. Iced latte targeting young professionals. See what we get with that. Heck yeah, there's a difference there, isn't it? Now we have a post that's actually useful. It's promoting a specific product, the iced latte. It's for Instagram, the style of it's there. And it's targeting young professionals. And it's even got the right tone. The AI knew exactly what to create because we gave it a good prompt. That's the power of being specific. Okay, let's have a look at a few more quick examples for your business. Need to handle a customer complaint email? So draft a polite and professional email responding to a customer complaint about a late delivery, offering a 10% discount. So again, we're being clear and concise. So you can see there, the subject's recognising it. It's clear. And of course, we don't get customer complaints, do we? But if we did, then this will be this will be a really good response. And it just takes that, what I found being able to use it just takes away that time, because for me, I spend ages trying to get the tone right. You know, it just takes away that, it just takes the emotion out of it, actually. Just helps me move forward. Let's have a look at another one. So let's say we're brainstorming marketing ideas. So we could have a prompt that says, let's say we've got a clothing shop, boutique or something. So we could say, brainstorm, my creative marketing campaign ideas for the summer sale clothing. Think about our audience, targeting, not my area, but let's target women aged 25 to 45. There we go. Here are 5 creative marketing campaign ideas for your summer sale at a clothing boutique, especially targeting women aged 25 to 45. Obviously, this is only going to be looking really good if this is your industry. I think you'll probably find there's some really good ideas in there. Okay, what else could we do? What about a product description for your website? Write a short, engaging product description for our new handmade leather boards, highlighting utility and style. Yeah, it's probably another one. Let's see how we can handle product descriptions. Yeah, again, I think another pretty good response. It's hitting everything that we've put in the prompt there. And again, like a lot of these things, what I will add to there, please don't take this as a copy and paste. Use these just to give you those ideas. I believe we're at a stage now where, especially in marketing, I think it can do 80-90% of really good writing for us. Just that last 10 to 20% wants to be tailored for you, wants to be your, whether you're putting your values in there, whether you're putting your tone in there. Again, you can improve that with the prompt, but again, I would still recommend that you go through it, you fact checked it, make sure everything's in there that is correct, and again, just putting that final touch to it before you would publish anything. So, how do you write good prompts for your business? I want to give you 3 tips to remember. First, be specific. As we've seen, the more details that you give the AI, the better it can understand what you need. Think of it like giving, directions. If you just said to somebody, go that way, the likelihood they're going to get lost. But if you say, turn left at the next light and then turn right, you're more likely to get where you're needing to go. And AI is just the same. Second, provide context. Tell the AI about your business, your target audience. The more context you give, the more tailored and relevant the AI's response will be. Imagine you're asking someone to write a social media post for your specific coffee shop. Not just any coffee shop. Give the AI that background information. Third, tell the AI the desired format or the output. Do you need a blog post, an email, a social media title, a presentation outline? Be clear about what you need the AI to create. And if you have specific format requirements like length, tone, style, tell the AI that too. If you want a simple formula to remember, think of it like this. Start with the action you want the AI to take, like write, create, brainstorm. Then specify the topic. Add context about your business or audience. And finally, tell it the desired format. That simple formula can help you write much better prompts. So let's quickly recap what we've seen in today's video. We've learned the secret to unlocking AI for your small business: prompting. It's all about giving clear instructions. It's not about being a tech expert, or it's about being a good communicator. The best way to master prompting is to start practicing. Don't be intimidated by AI. Just jump in and experiment. Start using clear prompts in the AI tools you're already using, or explore some new ones. The more you practice, the better you'll get, and the more you'll see the amazing benefits for your business. Here's your first step. This week, try prompting AI to help you with just one business task. maybe writing a social media post or brainstorming, I don't know, a blog topic, even drafting a quick email like we've seen before. Just try it. And I really want to hear about your experiences. Share your prompting successes and any questions you have in the comments below. You see, I really want this channel to be for business owners. I think anybody can get good stuff from these videos, but for me, it is the business owner. As I said at the beginning, it's one business owner to another. And honestly, I believe if you start practicing some of the things that we'll do, whether it's in this video or others, as I see with customers that I'm working with, it will really, truly help you. And that's what I want this channel to be for. So please reach out. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.